Okay, coming in with number 6, a certain company has a total cost that can be represented by that equation and total revenue that can be represented by that equation. We are asked to find the maximum revenue for the company, find the maximum profit for the company, and decide if those values are the same, and if not, which one do we care about more. So if we wanted to maximize the revenue, everyone, all we would need to do is type maximize into Wolfram and then put the equation. So 100x minus 0.4x squared is going to go into Wolfram. Come on, Wolfram. Okay, so it looks like our revenue is maximized at $62.50 when we produce and sell 125 units. So $6,250 when 125 units are produced and sold. There's part A. Part B, what's the maximum profit? So we remember that profit is equal to revenue minus cost. So we need to set this up as profit is equal to 100x minus 0.4x squared. Subtract the cost, remember that parenthesis. 1760 plus 8x plus 0.6x squared. All right, we can give that to Wolfram. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that cost function in there because that's kind of a long one. And so we're not trying to maximize now. We're going to take this revenue function. We are going to subtract the cost function. And that will get us a profit function. So our profit function, everyone, is going to be P is equal to negative x squared plus 92x minus 1760. All right. And so we are asked, I believe in this problem, what the maximum profit would be. So I just clicked on my profit function, which brings it up here in Wolfram. Maximum profit is going to be to maximize that function. And by doing that, everyone, we get 46 units with a maximum profit of 356. So profit is maximized at $356 when 46 units are produced and sold. And so you can see, everyone, that obviously the profit right here is 356 and the max revenue is 6250. And for some people, they think, oh man, the revenue of 6250 is way better. I should go ahead and make 125 of these things. Well, let's see what happens to the profit if we were to make 125 of those things. So we're going to take our profit function and we're going to put 125 in for x. Again, I've got to put this in parentheses because it's being multiplied, or it's being raised to the power of 2. And so we end up with a profit of negative $5,885. So producing, actually, let's say it like this, maximizing revenue is a terrible idea. Doing so makes a profit of negative $5,885. And all that does is make people sad. So everyone, remember, revenue doesn't matter. Even though that 6,250 looks appealing, it really has a negative value of 5,885, which would be bad news for everyone.